Hello all, welcome to TECHNO. In the section of working with Python, today we are going to see how using NUMPY library we can convert a list into a one-dimensional NUMPY array. So what basically we need is, we have this list over here and we'll be converting it into a one-dimensional array using the NUMPY library. So let's get started. So for first we'll take the list, so I'll just copy it from here and paste it down. We'll also import first NUMPY library, so import NUMPY as NP. Then we have the list. Now we just have to do is we save this. We save the array that has been converted in a variable called x. Then we say that np dot array, and we have this variable over here list. So we'll be using list over here, and we just have to print x. So what basically we did is we imported NUMPY library, created its object as np. We took the list, we took a list called as list, equals to, we took a list over here and then we converted it into an array using the function dot array, and we passed over here the list, and then we simply printed the value of x, which was having the values of array. So from here we'll run the program. As you can see over here, the list that was being given over here is converted into an array, one-dimensional single array. So we'll just print over here list also to see that what is the difference that we get. Much that you can get. A list is a sort of array, but still. So we'll run it from over here. So you can see this is the list and this is the array. Array forms a unified structure. So it will uniform structure it will be forming. So thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content from TECHNO. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.